Please like, share and subscribe to Doit Industries India Private Limited and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.
The gold forming plant is a compact, efficient and highly reliable unit designed for the electroforming of gold onto various base metals using advanced gold forming technology. Ideal for crafting hollow and lightweight jewelry, this plant delivers outstanding performance and quality. It combines energy-efficient heating, stable rectification, effective filtration, and precise dosing to ensure uniform deposition. A high-precision load cell is integrated into the plant to enable accurate measurement of gold deposited on the articles. The plant has dedicated jig with controlled step rotation, including forward and reverse motion, ensuring precise and even plating. 4 800-watt heaters ensure rapid, uniform electrolyte heating for optimal process temperature. 3 durable, corrosion-resistant MMO anodes ensure uniform current for high-quality plating. 3 5-volt, 20-amp DC rectifiers provide stable current for multiple plating zones, enabling parallel operations and consistent gold quality. The outlet flow is specially designed to ensure constant mixing of the solution for uniform plating quality. A joystick-equipped control panel allows precise adjustment of plating parameters. 0.25 kilowatt candle filter removes impurities, extending electrolyte life and keeping plating clean. 3 dosing pumps automate chemical addition for optimal solution and consistent quality. Dosing pumps 3 units.